Everyone, hold on for just a second. If you clicked on this video right now, that means you're right on time and you haven't missed the most valuable and still working Roblox Rivals reward codes for 2026. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel once again. Today we're starting a brand new video featuring the latest Roblox Rivals codes and strategy guide. In this video, based on the newest 2026 update, I will neatly organize and show you all of the newest Rivals codes that are currently usable in the game. Every single code you'll see here has been personally tested to make sure it works perfectly. As you may already know, after recent updates, some old codes have already expired. However, there are still several powerful high-reward codes that are still active right now. That's exactly why I strongly recommend that you do not skip this video and watch it all the way to the end. If you skip through, there is a high chance you might miss some of the most important and best reward codes currently available. Before we start showing the codes, let me first explain a simple but guaranteed Rivals giveaway event. In this event, we will randomly select viewers from this video and give them any in-game item or reward they want as a special gift. Here's how you can participate. First, press like on this video. Second, subscribe to the channel. Third, leave your Roblox nickname in the comments. And finally, watch the video until the end to complete your entry. There is one very important notice you must remember. If you don't watch the video until the end, it will be difficult for us to confirm your participation, and you may be excluded from the giveaway. So please make sure to watch the full video carefully. All right then. Let's officially begin with the Rivals code redemption method and the newest 2026 Rivals code list. All the codes you're about to see from now on are based on the 2026 update and have been fully tested to confirm they are working properly. The redemption method is very simple. Click the Shop button at the bottom of your screen. Then go to More Codes. In the code input box, type the codes exactly as I show them, making sure to match uppercase and lowercase letters correctly. You can enter the codes in any order you like. They will work perfectly no matter the order. Now, starting right now, let's go through all of the latest working Rivals codes one by one.